Thursday. The storm has passed. The damage assessment has begun. I have slept approximately 3 hours in 2 days. This is not ideal. I continue to watch the local news. All of a sudden, the phone rings. Unknown number. I answer immediately. Hello? Mom? You're okay? You got all 9 of my messages. You're right, I'm not very good at calling, and I guess neither were you. Well, in my defense, I had 4 years to make up for. So what happens now? Okay. Bye. The call ends. My mother and I spoke for 47 minutes. I pick up my book. I open it. This time, I retain every word.